The following message has been transmitted by the Punta Gorda Police Department and the Charlotte County Sheriff's Office. This is not a test. A dangerous and life-threatening situation is occurring in Punta Gorda and surrounding areas. A creature, known as Korra the Glacian, has been spotted eating people whole in a matter of minutes. Korra is a female quadruped, mammalian creature, resembling an Arctic fox or Arctic wolf, with light blue fur with a light blue crest on her forehead, with 2 dangling flaps. Korra has 2 dark blue rhombus markings on her back, with more on the tip of her tail, flaps, and paws. Korra has purple eyes and a purple scarf with a blue diamond and snowflake marking on it. Korra stands at around 3 feet tall, but can make herself to be much taller. If you see Korra, run in the opposite direction as fast as possible. Korra will eat you. Do not try to reason with her, you will be killed.